Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make better purchasing decisions while having a blast. Today, we're diving into the world of drones with a head-to-head showdown between the DEERC Drone D70 and the DROCON drone. Get ready for some high-flying fun because this comparison is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about the price. The DEERC Drone D70 is priced at a cool $79, while the DROCON drone comes in at $109. That $30 difference might make a big difference if you're on a budget. However, reviewers say that the DROCON drone often justifies its higher price with additional features and better build quality. Next, let's see how easy these bad boys are to fly. The DEERC Drone D70 promises that you can become a drone pilot in just 10 minutes with features like one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and headless mode. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendliness, especially for beginners. On the other hand, the DROCON drone offers similar features but adds 3 speed modes and an emergency stop feature. Reviewers love the added control and safety features, making it a hit among both beginners and more experienced users. Now, on to the juicy stuff, the cameras. Both drones sport a 1080p HD camera. The DEERC Drone D70 offers Wi-Fi real-time transmission for sharing those epic aerial shots. However, reviewers note that the camera quality is decent but not outstanding. DROCON steps up the game with a 90 degrees adjustable lens, which reviewers find incredibly useful for capturing different angles. So while both drones will make your Instagram pop, DROCON gives you that extra flexibility. Who says drones are just for taking pictures? The DEERC Drone D70 is packed with fun features like tap fly, voice control, gesture selfie, throw to go, 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotation, and circle fly. Reviewers find it to be an all-in-one entertainment package. DROCON also brings a lot to the table with gesture recognition, voice control, surround flight, gravity sensing mode, custom path flight, and the classic 360-degree flip. Reviewers love the variety of features, especially the gravity sensing mode. Both drones offer a lot of fun, but DROCON's unique features give it a slight edge. Let's see which of these drones is more travel-friendly. The DEERC Drone D70 folds down to the size of your palm, making it perfect for spontaneous adventures. Reviewers appreciate its compact design. DROCON, not to be outdone, also boasts a foldable design and weighs less than 249 grams. Plus, it comes with a suitcase, which reviewers find to be a stylish and practical addition. Last but not least, battery life. The DEERC Drone D70 didn't specify how long it can stay in the air, but DROCON comes with 2 batteries, giving you up to 24 minutes of flight time. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time and find it sufficient for capturing plenty of footage. The DROCON's remote also warns you when the battery is low, which is another feature that reviewers love. Summing up the reviews, the DEERC Drone D70 is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and compact design, making it a great choice for beginners. However, some reviewers noted issues with camera quality and flight stability. On the other hand, the DROCON drone is appreciated for its versatile features, better camera flexibility, and additional safety options, though some reviews mention concerns about its lightweight build and susceptibility to wind. So smart buyers, which drone takes the crown? Is it the budget-friendly, feature-packed DEERC Drone D70? Or the slightly pricier, ultra-flexible DROCON drone with its fancy suitcase? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, whether you're soaring through the skies or crashing into trees, Buy Smart has got your back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome product comparisons. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.